don't know if you can hear this effing bird. It's louder than you think. Alright, look at that. Little, tiny little bang. Can't stand that bird. It's so annoying. It's like every time I talk, it's like beep, 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 beep. It's like, dude, I'm talking. Come on now, be considerate. We have like 10 million squirrels that live in our backyard. But not here today. Oh, there's this rainbow bird. Oh my gosh, I saw this rainbow colored bird. It was really like rainbow colors. It's amazing. I don't think they had birds. Shut up! I don't think they had birds like that. Should have got a bird like that instead of you. No, it's not mine. It's not mine. It's like, you just want to kill it. You just want to. You just have to.